Hello everybody, I'm Jacqueline. In this video, I'll be teaching you on the subject called Medical Surgical Nursing 1 and the topic is drug allergy. This drug allergy is one of the topics from altered immune response. In the last video, I have already explained regarding anaphylaxis, the topic anaphylaxis, which is a type 1 hypersensitivity reaction, and drug allergy was one of the causes of anaphylaxis. So now we'll see what is actually drug allergy means. So we'll see what is a drug allergy. See, when it comes to drug allergy, everybody have a different reaction. When one particular person has particular drug allergy, like one specific drug, he'll get a certain symptoms. If the other person is also having particular same drug allergic, both will not get same symptoms. The symptoms will be different from each other because our immune response to any foreign substance will be different. Our body reacts different according to that unique nature. So we'll see what is exactly drug allergy. A drug allergy is an allergic reaction to a drug or a medication. An allergic reaction means that your immune system identifies the drug as a foreign substance. So your body, when you have taken drug, your body response will be it will identify the drug as a foreign body. It's not your own substance, or that substance is not suitable for the body. So your body mistakes the drug as certain different foreign body. So what it does is it tries to eliminate out of our body, it tries to remove. Our immune system, when it finds out any foreign substance, it tries to take it off from our body. It tries to eliminate through elementary systems. So what it does is our immune system responds to our foreign substances in multiple ways, in different ways, such as first what it happens is there will be inflammatory reaction. So this inflammatory reaction, what it does is it causes symptoms such as rashes, fever, breathing difficulty and other systemic reactions. So any medications are capable of doing drug allergy. It's not that this kind of family group of drugs will cause so and so allergy. It's not like that. Any kind of drug can cause any kind of allergy depending upon our body response, our immune response to it. Next we'll see what are the causes. So what particularly causes this drug allergy are people are having, like I already said, depending upon individual's immune response, the drug allergic to specific drug will be different. But there are some common medications which people are prone to get, or they are probably more having infectious to or allergic to these particular group of medicines, such as antibiotics. Example is penicillin. Some aspirins, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs can also cause chemotherapy drugs, medications of autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, corticosteroids, lotions, medication people are taking for HIV, and then bee pollen products, echinacea. These are the medications where we usually use to treat the disease. But in some cases, individual's body will not accept these and will reject and start to give allergic reaction to that. So these are the common medications people can have allergic to, but not everybody, some. How are we going to prevent this? So when we already know this particular or this specific drug is causing allergy, so we should avoid such kind of medications. So what it says is, if you have a drug allergy, the best prevention is to avoid the drug, that particular drug. If the drug allergy has caused anaphylaxis is a type 1 hypersensitivity. Like I already explained in the previous video what is anaphylaxis. Here, this drug allergy is one of the anaphylaxis. And then the severe reaction can also happen, and then it can carry emergency situation. When it comes to that situation, the people can, when you go to OPD or emergency clinics, the first thing what they do is they'll check your all the symptoms, they'll ask what you have been taken, your history collection will be done. The first thing what they'll be administering is antihistamine drug. So one of the most commonest used antihistamine drug is epinephrine. So now we'll see what are the symptoms the person are having drug allergic, what can happen, what are the reactions takes place in our body. So we'll see what are those. The first one is most commonly is skin reaction. They'll have rashes, redness, itchiness, hives. Hives means a group of bump on the skin together will look like a hive, and then itchiness will be there. Sometimes fever will be there. Facial swelling, face will look puffed, and then there will be swelling near the eye part or eye bags, and then joint aches, swelling will be there. Tender lymph nodes when you palpate the lymph node, there will be pain in that. When you palpate, there will be pain, and then the shortness of breath. These are the common symptoms. And other symptoms such as life-threatening symptoms, which are tightening of the chest, breathing severe difficulty, extremely low blood pressure, which is also called as hypotension, and then weak and rapid pulse. There will be swelling of the lips, mouth, eyelids, abdomen, and the person will have nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, confused state. His conscious will be lost. So these are the emergency symptoms where the person is immediately the person should be immediately taken to the hospital. What will be the treatment is, like I already said, the most common treatment which is given is antihistamines. So what kind of antihistamines are given are, for mild symptoms, over the counter drug can be taken. Like the person who are having drug allergic reaction, and they already know what kind of drug they are allergic to, and they know what kind of medicine. If at all by mistake they have taken such medicines, they can take the healing or the treatment over the counter, like without doctor's prescription. They can take drugs such as Avil tablet or anti-allergic tablet, or particularly any antihistamine tablets can be taken. In hospital, what they do is they give bronchodilators. Usually antihistamines also act as bronchodilators, but antihistamines are particularly for tissues, and these bronchodilators help when the main system, including the wheezing, cough, the respiratory tract, to dilate, because the person will have severe breathing difficulty in those cases. Corticosteroids will be given because there will be swelling in the face, lips, eyelids, lymph nodes. To reduce the inflammation, corticosteroids are given, because corticosteroids are anti-inflammatory drugs. And the epinephrine is one of the antihistamine drug. This one is given mainly when the person is having acute anaphylaxis. So anaphylaxis is a drug reaction, which I already told is a type 1 hypersensitivity. So epinephrine, when should be taken is, it is taken by injection as soon as possible, because when it's a life-threatening situation, if the medicine has to act very fast, the medicine is given in the IV, that is intravenous site. So this finishes your topic. This is a very small topic that is completed soon. Thank you for watching this. This video is one of the topic from anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis video has been explained in detail. Drug allergy is one of the causes of anaphylaxis. So I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you for watching.